Welcome back to Android Tutorials, and in this video I am going to explain you how to add the navigation drawer in our Android application with the navigation buttons. So let's begin our today's tutorial, but before that I recommend you to subscribe to our channel because I am uploading a new video of Android app development daily and you guys are not subscribing. So please make sure you subscribe to our channel Android Tutorials. First see our content and then subscribe. So you can watch our playlist section where you will find the playlist of different apps with source code for free. So check out our playlist section after this video. So let's begin our today's video. So in this video we are going to add the navigation drawer in our application with its item click listener. So let's begin. So first of all, we are going to wrap the full constraint layout, means whatever code that we got in the starting, we are going to change it from constraint layout to linear layout and make its orientation to be vertical, and that default text view, that is hello world, and then wrap it into a linear layout, and then wrap this full linear layout into a scroll view and give its id also. So after you wrap it in the scroll view, you will get this id. And now to make a navigation drawer, we need a custom toolbar. So here in our linear layout, we are going to make another linear layout where we are going to add one toolbar and one scroll view where we have stored our design. So this orientation will be vertical only, so we can scroll our linear layout. So first is toolbar id, and its width is match parent, and its height is action bar size. And after we have to add the margin end and start top to 0 dp and give its background to 700 purple. After we are going to give its theme, that is theme overlay material dark. By this we will get our text that will in our application, so in our toolbar, in white color. So this is necessary to implement. After we add the custom toolbar, so after this we are going to make them into a linear layout. So now these have our complete design with toolbar. Now we are going to add the navigation view in our application. So first we have to change our we have to add our view root layout to drawer layout, and then give its id, that is drawer layout. And after that we have to give its width and height of match parent, and then finally we are going to implement a navigation view in our application. So let's begin with implementing it. So first we are going to write a navigation view, then give its width and height of wrap content, and height is match parent, and set its gravity to start so that we get it from start only. And then add one layout and one menu to make it in the header layout. So to make the header layout, we have to click on drawable, right click on the drawable, then you will find a new button. So here is a new and drawable resource file, and here you have to write header, not in this sector. So here I am writing selector, here it will come header layout. After you have to click on OK, so you will generate a file. So I had simply added one, I am going to simply add one text view, but first we are going to change its height from match parent to 225 dp, and then add one text view with background and give it that text size to match parent. So here is text view, width match parent, height match parent, its text is app name, its background purple 700 or 500, text size 36 sp, gravity will be center, text color will be white, and then close this. So you can see that we got our header layout. You can design it as you want, but I am going to just write this only. After we got our header layout done, now it's time to implement a menu. So to implement menu, we have to click on this res folder, new, and you will find Android resource file. Here you have to change the type from menu, and here you have to write menu or whatever menu name you want to give. After we are going to click on OK, and in that we are going to write a group with checkable behavior to be single, and after that we will add one home button and as many intent you want. Here I am going to implement just one intent only, and after that we are going to close that group and then start a new group for our disclaimer, share, rate and feedback. Now if you want to write it, you can write by pausing this video because it is so easy, so no need to explain it again. After we are going to click on drawable. Now I am going to explain you how to add the icons. So here is vector assets, and here you have to select the image. So here you will find the lot of images. Here it will load. So after you have to select anyone and then add it to the layout. And if you don't know how to do that, then you can watch our previous series where we had explained you about this only. After we are going to write the click listeners. So first of all we are going to implement this header layout and main menu into our navigation view. So here you can see that header layout is layout edit header layout and menu is main menu. After we are going to move to click listeners. So here we are going to implement one navigation view on click item selected listener. After that we are going to write a toolbar. So here we are. So first of all I am going to write toolbar, and after we just have to give its name and implement find view by id on that. So toolbar is equal to find view by id, that is r dot toolbar. After that we are going to write set support action bar to be toolbar, and then give its id, that is get support action bar. Support action bar dot set title, and give your title here. After that we are going to write a drawer layout, action bar drawer toggle and navigation view, and it will be in global only. And after we are going to add find view by id on it, and toggle is equal to new action bar drawer toggle, and then pass this context activity and our drawer layout. Then make some simple string, so you can see that here it is and here is in source code. After we are going to write so here we are going to write navigation view find view by id by navigation view, and then drawer layout dot add drawer listener and pass the toggle here, and then toggle dot sync state. After, we will move to our navigation item selected which we had created in this video. So we are going to write item is equal to get item id, and after we are going to write cases for our home, intent, feedback, share, rate and disclaimer. So subscribe to our channel and like and share this Android tutorial. After, we are going to start a drawer layout dot close drawer with gravity app compact with dot start, means we are going to close our drawer so the user will automatically in the home screen. Then intent means here we are going to start a new intent for all 8 items that you list in your intent. So after, we are going to write for feedback. So here also we are going to write intent, but intent of action sent to, and set the data of URI phrase mail to and then semicolon. This is necessary to implement. After, we have to write the string of emails that you want the feedback. So here I had written your email at the gmail.com. You can change it from your email id, and then write the string subjects and tags, and after put extra email, put subject extra means subject, extra text is text, and then start feedback intent. So you will generate an complete feedback section in your navigation drawer. After that, we are going to write for share. So share is equal to action send and set type to text plain, and then we are going to generate the share link by first typing one extra message, and after that we are going to write https play.google.com slash stores store dot slash apps dot slash detail question mark id is equal to get application context dot get package name, and then we have to put this extra text into a share link and then create intent chooser. Same we are going to do with rate. So in rate we had action view and second parameter is URI, and this URI is same as shareable link that we had created on share. And in disclaimer we are going to first close the drawer, and then we are going to start the uh, alert dialog. So you can see that here is alert dialog builder is equal to new alert dialog builder to this, and then set its title to disclaimer. You have to write here your message, then set positive negative buttons, and finally show. So first we are going to write for our share button. You can copy that share code here, and then here is rate code. So rate code from there, and in OK button we are going to dialog dot dismiss. So by after that we have to write on option item selected, and if toggle dot on options item selected is item, then we are going to return true, means by this we will get the button of in our navigation view. So what if the user is in home screen and drawer is open and our application is closed? So here we are going to use on back press method. So I'm going to close my on back press method. In that, first we are going to write if our drawer layout dot is drawer open, gravity compact dot start, then we are going to first close that. So drawer layout dot close drawer gravity compact start, and in else method we are going to write our super dot on back press method. So by this way we are going to complete our navigation view navigation drawer implementation in our Android app. So if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to miss any update. Thanks for watching Android tutorials.